Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be setting up my brand new skincare fridge. So I actually recently decided to get this because I have a lot of skincare products and I decided that I just wanted one. So I went ahead over to Amazon and I bought one. So I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys are interested. I did get a 10-liter skincare fridge because I feel like I have a lot of stuff. And they do have smaller options, but I decided to get this big one. And today I'm going to be setting it up and packing it up and putting stuff inside, and it's going to be super fun and I'm so excited to see it when it's finished. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about why skincare fridges are a thing and what they do for skincare. So skincare fridges actually increase the shelf life of your skincare products, so it makes it last longer. It also reduces the probability percentage of bacteria growing in your skincare products, and it also helps penetrate your skin when these products are cold, and it also just makes the experience of doing skincare that much more pleasurable and satisfying, and it just feels so good. Cold skincare also has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps for swelling, puffiness, and reduces redness as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the packing and setting up of my new skincare fridge. Okay, so this is my skincare fridge. It is by the brand Kanal and I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below. So it came with, it does have a handle. This is the 10-liter skincare fridge. They do have like smaller sizes, like a 3-liter I believe, but I got the 10-liter, and it came with 2 pairs of cords. So one, you can just plug it into a wall and it's a regular wall cord, like I plugged it in down there, and then it also has a cord that is compatible for a car charger, so you can take this into your car on road trips, I guess. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. So this is what it looks like inside. It is so cute. It's blue inside and the outside is like a pinkish kind of beige neutral color, which I got to match my room. These are my walls, so I thought that it would look cute with my room. So it has two shelves and then this whole bottom area, and I actually just put it on. It's gonna get cold in a little bit. Then it also has this little door shelf thing, which is also why I got it, because I wanted to utilize the door space. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill it up. This is the cord that also came with it that is compatible for a car, so you just plug this into your car, which is really cool. And then this is basically everything that I'm going to be putting into the fridge. So I have my sprays over here, some of my moisturizers, and some face masks as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is basically it. I kind of had to rearrange some stuff, but these are 2 big boxes of face masks, and then I put my sprays in the back over there, and these are some moisturizers. This is some under eye face masks, and up here is all of my squeeze tube moisturizers and mini face masks and moisturizers, and then I put some sheet masks over here with my roller. So this is basically it. I kind of thought I had more stuff. I do still have some space in here, which I'm happy about, but it does also still look kind of full. So I think the vibe that is happening here is kind of like a greenish pinkish vibe, and I'm not mad at it. I feel like the skincare fridge looks super cute, and I'm actually really happy with this. So this is my skincare fridge. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. If I put something in here that I wasn't supposed to, please let me know, but I am pretty happy with this. So yeah. So that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was pretty short, but my skincare fridge is not that big, even though it's a 10 liter. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I actually am not going to be keeping it on all the time. It does have an on and off switch in the back, which is really cool. And it also has a warmer setting where you can actually keep whatever is inside of it hot. So if you don't want to use it as a skincare fridge, you can use it as something to keep whatever you're putting in it warm, which is really cool that it gives you that option. So I will be taking it off when I'm not using it, and I'll probably just like put it on when I know that I'm going to be going ahead and doing some skincare, just to prep my stuff and make it cold for me. So I'm super excited to use this and switch up my skincare game. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!